Hello, English learner. Welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning master English fast and efficient. In this video, we will learn practice English speaking tips and how to think in English with easy tips. Thinking in English is one of the best ways to improve fluency and confidence in speaking. Here are some easy and practical tips to help you practice and improve your English. 1. Start with simple words and phrases. Describe what you see around you in English, e.g., I see a blue chair, or the sky is cloudy today. Name objects in English while doing daily activities, e.g., while cooking, think I'm chopping vegetables. 2. Talk to yourself in English. Talking to yourself in English is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve fluency. It helps you think in English naturally and boosts your confidence in speaking. Here's how you can do it. 1. Describe what you're doing. As you go about your day, try narrating your actions in English. For example, while cooking, now I am cutting the vegetables. The water is boiling. I will add some salt. While getting ready, I need to wear a blue shirt today. Where are my shoes? Oh, here they are. 2. Ask yourself questions and answer them. You can pretend to have a conversation with yourself. For example, what should I eat for dinner? Maybe I will order a pizza or cook some pasta. How was my day today? It was great. I finished my work early and watched a movie. 3. Use a mirror technique. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself as if you were speaking to another person. Choose a topic and speak for 1 to 2 minutes without stopping. Watch your expressions and body language to improve confidence. 4. Pretend you are teaching. Explain something simple in English as if you are teaching someone. Example: this is a pen. We use it to write. It has blue ink. Teaching helps you process thoughts faster and improves fluency. 5. Give yourself a motivational speech. Motivate yourself out loud. I will practice English every day. I am getting better. I can do this. Speaking positive affirmations in English makes you feel confident. 6. Practice everyday situations. Imagine different scenarios and talk as if you are there. Ordering food. Hello, I would like a coffee, please. At the airport. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter? Shopping. How much does this cost? Why this works. It trains your brain to think in English. You practice pronunciation without fear of judgment. It helps you find words quickly in real conversations. Try this every day for 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll see improvement in your fluency. 3. Change your inner voice to English. Change your inner voice to English. Your inner voice is the way you think or talk to yourself in your mind. If you usually think in your native language and translate into English, it slows you down. The goal is to train your brain to think directly in English. Here's how. 1. Start with simple thoughts. Instead of thinking in your native language and translating, start forming basic thoughts in English. Instead of thinking, saya harus pergi ke pasar, then translating it to, I have to go to the market. Train your brain to think directly in English. I have to go to the market. Try with simple everyday thoughts like, I'm feeling hungry. What time is it now? Today is a sunny day. 2. Label things around you in English. When you see an object, name it in English in your mind. Example, instead of thinking meja in your language, table in English, just think table. This helps your brain connect words directly without translation. 3. Think in full sentences. Start forming full sentences instead of just words. Instead of thinking water when you're thirsty, think, I need to drink some water. This will help you structure sentences faster when speaking. 4. Practice thinking in English before sleeping. Before bed, try recalling your day in English. Example, today I woke up early. I had coffee and went to work. It was a busy day. This helps your brain get used to English naturally. 5. Challenge yourself to think in English for 5 minutes. Set a timer and force yourself to think only in English. At first, it may be difficult, but with practice, it will become easier. Slowly increase the time to 10, 15, or even 30 minutes. 6. Use mental images instead of translations. When you think of the word dog, visualize a dog instead of translating it from your native language. This will help you process words faster and more naturally. 7. Use English for basic decisions. When deciding something, think in English. Should I wear a blue shirt or a white one? I think I will take a bus today instead of driving. Why this works. Your brain gets used to English sentence structures. You will stop translating and start speaking fluently. You become more confident in conversations. With regular practice, your mind will automatically switch to English. 4. Think in sentences, not just words. Instead of just thinking apple, think I want to eat an apple. This helps your brain get used to English sentence structure. 5. Use an English diary. Write down your daily activities or thoughts in English. This builds vocabulary and trains your mind to think in English. 6. Practice with real conversations. Talk with a language partner, tutor, or even use AI chatbots. Join online English-speaking groups or communities. 7. Immerse yourself in English content. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or read books in English. Try to understand without translating word by word. 8. Use flashcards or mental images. Associate English words with pictures, not translations. For example, when thinking of dog, imagine a dog instead of the word in your native language. 9. Give yourself challenges. Set a goal to think in English for 5 minutes, then increase the time gradually. Try describing your day in English before going to sleep. 10. Stay consistent and patient. Thinking in English takes time, so keep practicing daily. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Fluency comes with practice. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you find this video helpful and you can master English quickly. If you more about English learning tips and up-to-date English learning video tips, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips. And we will put new great content every single day. And don't forget to give thumbs up and comment below if have some question. See you on the next video.